Hello friends, this is a real quick video showing you how to draw the flowers and the butterflies for this week's project. The first flower I'm going to show you is this one right here. Super simple. I am going to draw in Sharpie just so it helps you see it better. Draw a circle, and I'm going to draw big also. So you draw a circle, that is the center of your flower, and then you come back and draw rounded petals like this right here, going all the way around the center. You want those petals to be the same size, so pay attention that you get them the same size. And then your flower stems, which are two parallel lines that come down, and then you'll have leaves that come off the side. You can come back in and put some little dots in the middle of your flower if you want to, and then I like to put a couple of little lines inside of each petal just to give it some detail. To draw this type of flower right here, you are again going to start off with a circle, and then around the circle you are going to draw kind of a wavy or curvy line, and it's a concentric circle. Concentric circle means it's a circle that goes around a circle that goes around a circle. And it looks like that. You need to do it about 2 or 3 times. And then, of course, your flower stem, and then put some leaves coming off of your flower stem. Now, to draw a tulip looks like a U, and then we flare the tips out like that. And you'll pick either the left or right side, it doesn't matter. Draw a diagonal line going all the way across your tulip like that. And then from this side, draw another diagonal line, and it intersects the other diagonal line right there. And then in the middle, you're going to draw the top of a triangle. And then 2 parallel lines that come down. And the leaves on tulips are a little bit different than the leaves up here. Tulip leaves come from the base and go up like this, and they're very tall and thick. So that is the tulip leaf. Of course, there's the ground right there. So to draw a tulip again, let me show you that. A U, and it flares out. And since I did this one going this way, I'll do this one going this way. And then that line meets right there, triangle in the middle, and then a long stem coming down. And then, of course, your leaves coming down from the base like that. All right, the next flower is going to kind of look like a daisy, sort of. It's going to have long, pointy petals like this right here. Now, I'm turning my paper because I find it easier to draw this sometimes by turning my paper. It helps me keep my petals going in the right direction and radiating out. Now, you can leave your flower like that if you want to, but you've got all this space in between. And so this would be a great place to come in and add just the tips of petals that are behind the main petals that we just drew. And again, I'm turning my paper because it just makes it easier. Oh, got to add one right there. And then my stem that comes down with my leaves. So that is how you draw the basic spring flowers for this project. Now let's quickly draw a butterfly. I have already taught you how to draw a butterfly, so some of you may already remember this, but if you don't, let's do a quick review. Here's the head of the butterfly, and you can do a body like this right here. And wings can be one of 2 ways. You can do like a wing like this right here that looks like a capital B or the number 3. That is totally fine, but it has to be symmetrical. And remember, symmetrical means the left and the right side are equal. So whatever you do on the left side of your butterfly, you gotta do on the right side. So if you do a wing that looks like a 3, it's gotta look like a backward 3 over here. If I put a circle here, I gotta have a circle here. These 2 wings have to be symmetrical, but these 2 do not. So I can come down here and put a triangle, but I have to put a triangle over here. And then, of course, butterflies have antennas, so give your butterfly some antennas. You can also draw the body of a butterfly that looks sort of kind of like a snowman. And you can make your wings look like that. Then I have to do another one over here. And then I would have to have another one coming down like so. As long as they are the left and right side matches. And then of course the little antennas. And if I put a circle here, I have to put a circle here. If I put an X here, then I have to put an X here. These two have to be symmetrical. These two have to be symmetrical. But the top and the bottom does not. It's okay if it does. Now let's draw a butterfly that is sitting on a blade of grass. So we're going to start off with a head and a body. I'm going to draw that body like that. Now it's not touching my blade of grass, but what is touching my blade of grass is its little feet. And then here's its antennas. And you're only going to see one of the wings. They're going to be folded and together. So you're not going to see both the left and right side like you do here. So I'm going to have this wing come up like that. And I'm going to have this wing come back here like that. So this is like the left side of the butterfly. So I might have a circle here and here, but over here I might have a square. And that is the left side of the butterfly wings folded together. We don't see the other side because it's on the other side of the butterfly. But that's what it would look like if it was sitting on a flower or a blade of grass. So that's just a real quick tutorial how to draw the flowers and the butterflies for this week's project.